Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make continuous bias binding. Please keep watching if this is something you'd like to know how to do. I started by using an 18 by 18 inch square, and what we need to do is have a diagonal line from one end down to the next. Now in order to get my line straight, I took the 18 inches divided by 2, that gave me 9, and as you see, I'm drawing 9 inches from one end and then 9 inches from the other end to find the middle point in order to help me draw the diagonal line much easier. You can also use your yardstick, which is long enough to reach from one end to the next. However, I am just catering for persons who do not have a yardstick. Once we have our diagonal line, we're going to just cut straight down through it. Now this next step is kind of tricky, but look carefully. Just going to take one end of the fabric, flip it over, and place it at the top part. Then what I'm doing here is just pin straight across using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You're gonna just sew it straight down. So I've already sewn that. Now I'm going to open up the fabric and just press it all the way down. Give it a nice flat press. This will make things a lot neater and flow more smoothly when it's time to cut your strips. Now using a ruler, I'm going to use 2 inches separation for each line. So basically my rule there is 2 inches wide. I'm going to just draw lines all the way down from the top straight down to the bottom, all the way to the end of the fabric. Once that is done, you need to flip over the fabric and look carefully. You need to place them together so that all the lines match up. However, because we're doing bias binding, you need to now pull the end over one step. It's very easy. If you just look, definitely going to get it very easy. Once we have that, I'm just pinning the lines together at 1/4 inch seam allowance. Once the line is pinned all the way down, you're supposed to have like a piece of fabric on each end remaining. Once you have that, you just go ahead and sew it and press it as I've already done. Then, starting at any end you wish, you just go ahead and cut out your strip. And it's that simple. You should receive about 3 to 4 yards of bias binding, and this is great for projects that you're gonna do the same color item. You really save a lot of time. You see, it stretches. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next time.